Greetings everyone, let's talk about Game Pass. Big changes are finally here and reactions are mixed. Some are relaxed while others are quite upset. Are day one games disappearing? Is Xbox conceding, or are they gearing up for a surge in subscribers with the upcoming edition of Call of Duty Black Ops 6? I've shared my thoughts on potential price increases and the reasoning behind them in past videos, and on defining Duke. But today, we'll dive deeper into this conversation. First, let's look at the initial headline from Windows Central Gaming. Xbox Game Pass is getting major changes with a new tier without day one games and a range of price increases. This contradicts a March 8, 2023, headline from Video Games Chronicle where Microsoft stated that Game Pass prices would not increase due to the Activision merger. Since then, much has happened. We've talked extensively about company shutdowns and received more information on Game Pass. Now let's break down the changes. According to Windows Central Gaming, Xbox Game Pass for console will be discontinued for new users. This strategy shifts the focus from consoles, which have a saturated user base, to PC and mobile, where growth potential is higher. The PC app, though, remains problematic, which is why the price increase is modest. Game Pass Ultimate's worth depends on usage. For frequent users, $20 per month is justified compared to $70 for individual games. Regionally, prices will rise from $16.99 to $19.99 in the US, a $3 increase. For some, this is negligible. For others, it could be a deal breaker. Xbox Game Pass Core, formerly Xbox Live Gold, will see an annual price increase from $60.99 to $74.99, though the monthly rate remains $10. Looking ahead, the short-term outlook seems positive, with anticipated games like Indiana Jones, Avowed, and Black Ops 6 adding value. However, long-term sustainability depends on consistent value addition. There's a debate on whether these changes signal a shift in Xbox's Game Pass strategy. Jeff Grubb and Jez Gordon discussed this on Twitter, with Grubb suggesting that Xbox is hedging its bets, either gain new subscribers with the new model, or extract maximum value from existing ones. The naming conventions of Xbox tiers and consoles could be clearer. New customers might find it confusing, but those familiar with the system understand it better. In conclusion, while the initial reaction to these changes isn't overwhelmingly negative, the long-term impact remains to be seen. For now, Game Pass still offers significant value, especially for frequent users. Let me know your thoughts on these changes. Take care, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sexy, stay active, I love you all. Peace.